A day after the Kenya National Examination Council (KNEC) released the 2017 Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education results, human rights activist Okiya Omtatah wants the examination body forced to release the 2017 KCPE and KCSE marked scripts to each school or examination center which fielded candidates. Omtatah claims all candidates who sat for KCPE and KCSE examinations have a right to receive certified copies of their marked answer sheets. Therefore, by not releasing the marked answer sheets to candidates through their respective schools, KNEC undermines the rights of children under the Constitution. He argues that if granted the application, the move will ensure integrity and transparency in awarding, collating and validation of results. Elsewhere, Steve Mbogo, who lost in the Starehe parliamentary election on an ODM ticket, has made an application before the High Court asking for scrutiny of ballot boxes and kimskit used in Starehe during the August 8 general election. In the application, Mbogo wants the court to grant orders for scrutiny in 3 polling stations he claims were marred with massive irregularities. The application will be heard on 12th of January 2018. In the case, Mbogo is challenging the election of Starehe MP Charles Jagwa on grounds that IEBC failed to conduct a free and fair election. He argues that during the Starehe parliamentary election, voting, counting, tallying, declaration and issuing of results was not in strict conformity with the law. Meanwhile, the petitioner challenging the election of Laikipia Governor Ndiritu Murithi suffered yet another blow after the court declined to allow him to introduce a report on sealing of ballot boxes. Justice Mary Kasango dismissed his application and concurred with the governor, who had argued that the petitioner had not informed the court on time about his intentions to introduce the report. Justice Kasango further ordered that the report on sealing of ballot boxes be expunged from the court records and be returned to the petitioner. The petitioner, Samin Dungu, had applied to be allowed to present a report on his observations while putting additional seals on 531 ballot boxes. And the case filed by Nairobi lawyer Nelson Avi, seeking to stop the Law Society of Kenya election slated for February 2018, will now be heard on 22nd of January. Justice John Mativo directed Harvey to file and serve the suit papers to the respondents, who include LSK, and appear on 22nd of January for inter-party hearing. In the petition, Harvey argues that the decision by LSK to reject his nomination papers for failing to attain 15 years in practice is unlawful and is of no basis. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.